All right, so here is how we're going to do problem 43 for today. On the video notes for tonight, you're going to learn how to actually deal with piecewise functions, but for right now, for today, it was appropriate to at least try these. It's making you graph it yourself first, basically, and then do it. So we just have to graph this piecewise function. So this is like y equals mx plus b, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the right order. Y equals negative 2x plus 1. So that means it has a y-intercept of 1, and it goes down to right 1, down to right 1, down to right 1. So that's what that line looks like. And I'm drawing it lightly because I'm about to erase some of it. It says to only use this line if the x value is less than or equal to 1. So the x value equals 1 right here. And then it is less than 1 for this part right here. And then we're going to go ahead and erase the rest of it. Okay, and then it says x minus 3, so we've got y equals x minus 3 for the other part. So 1, 2, 3. And we've got a slope of 1, so up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. There's our line. And it says to only do that if x is greater than 1. So I'm going to put an open circle on 1. X is greater than 1 for this part. That was not very good, but okay. And then it says that we're finding the limit as x approaches 1. And so you might be able to look at that and already be able to tell the answer, but if not, I'm going to go ahead and do the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit. So as we go to 1 from the left, and I'm making sure to write my notation correctly, as we go to 1 from the left side, we have negative 1. The limit on the right side is negative 2. And so we're going to say the limit altogether does not exist because there are two values. Okay, so I'm not going to help you answer this one, but I will help you draw it a little bit. You can go ahead and stop the video if you know how to draw it from here. So for the first one, we have y equals x plus 2. So that's a straight line. It has a y-intercept of 2, and it has a slope of 1. And it says that we're only using the part that is less than negative 1. So here's where x equals negative 1. We're only using the part that's less than that. And we erase the rest. Okay. The next one is a quadratic. And so parabolas start at the point 0, 0. And then they go over 1, up 1, over 1, up 3, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 3. There's our quadratic. And it says we're using the quadratic if x is greater than 1. So we have a hole on 1, and then where x is greater than 1, all this part gets to be dark. And then we erase this part over here. Okay? So, and then you need to look at the limit as x approaches negative 1. So I'd say if you're not sure just by looking at the picture, then you should do the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit and see if they agree or not.